Morena koutou mā. So glad you are able to join me this morning. It's a little bit chilly outside, but the sun is shining, which is really awesome. I hope you guys are well in your bubbles and you are able to do some mahi that your kayakos are sending out. And while we're on that theme, our Whakatauki for today's yoga session is Ahumahi, so industry or in being industrious. So we're thinking about this Whakatauki, which is ko mahi ko kai, ko noho ko iri. So industry is food, so working hard and doing that is going to be good for you. Idleness is hunger, so when you're idle or lazy and you're not doing anything, then that can not nourish your soul. So ko mahi, ko kai, ko noho, ko iri. So think about that when we're doing our practice today. Our practice is going to be a sitting practice, so we're just going to focus on our breath and some very easy, gentle, lovely, yummy movements that are going to help us just to be mindful and in the moment. So let's get on to our space. So find a nice seat that's comfortable for you. I like to sit with my legs crossed. If you want to sit on your knees, that's fine. But try to have a nice straight spine, straight back. And the focus today is on synchronizing our breath with our movement. So we're going to start with our lotus flower. So our middle finger and our thumb are touching. And we're going to breathe in and open our flower and then breathe out and close our flower. So breathing in, ki roto, ki waho, ki roto, ki waho. Let's do that a few more times just to get really in sync with our breath. Releasing the hands down to the floor. Just feeling Papatunuku. Feeling her energy coming up through your fingertips. Really feeling how she's supporting you in this seat position. Keep the breathing going deep. And lifting up our arms with the breath. Hands together and down. Bowing our heads to our hearts. Breathing in, breathing out, back to the earth. Just going to repeat this pattern a few times. Trying to keep your back nice and straight. One more time. With the breath. Nice. Very good. We're breathing in. Up we go, reaching up and over. Reaching forward as far as you can. We're going to do some waves, so thinking about tangaroa's ocean, the tide going in and out, or the waves going in and out with our breathing and with our movement. So breathing in, shoulder rolls back, and breathing out, going forward. Breathing in, might go up actually, and out. Breathing in, and out. Breathing in, and out. Two more. Really bringing that oxygen into the body. Doing the Mahi. Ko Mahi ko kai. Great. Breathing it in. Slowly. Coming back up to a nice dignified seat. And we're just going to gently twist around to our left side. With the breath. And out. Coming to center. And breathing in to the right side. And out to the center. Into the left side. And out to the center. Into the right side. And out to the center. One more on each side. All the time trying to synchronize our breathing. Good stuff. Right, we're going to go back to our lotus flower. To finish off our practice today, this is a very short, brief practice just to work on our breathing technique and synchronizing our movements, helping us be industrious with our Mahi. here I invite you to close your eyes and just be in this moment. And reaching up to Ranginui, bringing our hands together, palms touching, fingers touching, bringing it down to our heart space. Bow our heads. And we say, Aroha Nui. Well, thank you for sharing this moment with me, this special time where you can connect in with your breath, with your tinana, where you can practice being industrious. Ko mahi, ko kai, ko noho, ko ini. Industrious is good, it's good kai, good food for you. Idleness is hunger. Have a great day, koutou. Ka kite.